Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to share with you a free QR code generator tool that's on my website. This tool is perfect for your business, marketing, events, and personal use. You can customize the colors and download instantly as a PNG or SVG. So here you can start by typing or pasting in a URL. I'm going to leave the default size and margin, but I'll show you how those update. And you can customize the QR code color and the background color. There is a contrast checker, so the highest contrast is going to be black and white. For now, I'm going to go ahead and generate the QR code. And over here, now you can download a PNG or an SVG, or you can copy it and paste it as an image. So here's where I'll show you that in real time you can update the size and the margin after you have generated the code. If you need more space around the QR code, you can increase the margin. And here's where you can see the contrast checker being updated. And whether you download or copy again, you can paste it. This is currently a free tool with no ads. If you'd like to help keep it ad-free and support my work, you can do that through PayPal and Venmo. And I do always see those personally, so thank you in advance. If this video and tool helped, please like the video so others can find it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.